Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Make sure your Discord email is verified and the account has no recent suspensions, because Discord blocks numbers on flagged accounts. Once done, switch to a known device and disable VPN or proxies, since Discord blocks foreign or anonymized IPs. Then, verify the phone number with your carrier supports SMS and isn't VoIP. Begin in the Discord app settings My Account, so you can attempt adding the number immediately after these checks. Next, investigate conflicts. If the number is linked to another account, you must remove it from that account or ask its owner to unbind it. Discord only allows one account per number. Once unlinked, clear the Discord app cache or reinstall. Alternatively, try a browser in incognito mode to rule out cookies. If you recently changed numbers or accounts, be patient. Discord may enforce a 24 to 48-hour hold. After waiting, attempt to add the number again and request the SMS code. To finish, carefully enter the verification code exactly as received. Carriers sometimes delay SMS or mark them as spam, so check blocked folders and message filtering. If verification still fails and the app shows the specific error text, file a support ticket with Discord including screenshots, your account email, and the exact message. This helps them clear blocks. As a workaround, you can temporarily verify with a different valid number, then later change to your preferred number.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.